When I tell you that I was so excited to do this video for Smile Brilliant, I mean, I was excited. Now, it has been quite a few months that I've had the flosser. It's an electric flosser, and it is a game changer. I'm a type of person who is addicted to flossing. I have to have floss with me at all times because if I'm out to eat, I've got to floss. So as you can see, I'm eating chips. And yeah, I just have those type of gaps where I get food in my teeth. Look at this flosser. Now, it's a water flosser, electric flosser, water pick, oral irrigator, easy flosser, water flossing, stop bleeding your gums, flossing for sensitive gums, solution for people that find it hard to floss. This is amazing. As you can see, it is charged. And when I tell you I've had it for a couple months, probably, like 3 months, and I have not charged it yet, and I use it all of the time. I believe it said you can get about 60 uses out of it, if I'm not mistaken, before you have to charge again. And yeah, it's got to be true. Look at how easy. You just pop that out. You put the water in there. Of course, you want to use warm water, not hot water, not cold water. As you can see, it's kind of warm. That's why it's kind of foggy looking. I fill it all the way up to the top and just pop it back on. And look, I'm sorry, that's gross. But as you can see, it's all over my teeth, inside the top and in between. And I had other things that I had eaten, so I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead. But this company is so amazing because they have these plaque highlighters where you can use these plaque highlighters to emphasize plaque that is on your teeth so you know how to brush properly. Custom night guards for many people that have to wear night guards, and an oral probiotic that you can replace healthy microbiome after brushing to repopulate with good bacteria for optimal oral health. You all will love this, and the price point is amazing. I'm going to leave all the links below, but this is it. This is the system. So easy to use. I absolutely am in love. Take care and see you in the next video.